What's up, guys? I want to show you guys how to determine the number of zones wired up in your irrigation system. It's not super complicated, but it helps to see somebody else do it first. So right here in my garage, I've got my Hunter controller. It's a Pro C. It's also got an Irrigation wireless rain sensor right there below it. And as you can see, it's unplugged right now, so there's no way for me to really look up on there how many zones there are. And this is also a HydroWise, so I would probably be doing it by an app in my phone. But what I would do if I wanted to see how many zones you have on your controllers, I would come in this box and I would pretty much look for two things. One is that there's actually numbers that you can just count how many numbers there are that are wired up. But if I was going to check this out, I would just come in here and I would say, all right, what's going on? You've got this PMV, that stands for pump and master valve. And then you've got these numbers, and you didn't got to count the numbers, just count the wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 zones wired up on this controller, okay? That's what we would use to determine how we're going to charge you for our basic residential maintenance program.